Hi, here's my thrift store haul from the Price is Right store in Greeley, Kansas. We'll start with this little boat trivet. This thing, I don't know if there's a purpose to this besides it just being a thing, but there's a thing and it exists. I got this dog thingy. I'm just gonna say thingy a lot, I guess. I got 3 cans of spray paint. Here's 2 of them. I got this corn peeler. I'm gonna give that to my mom. I got some coffee. Coffee is not cheap. I got this thing. I just thought it was cute. I got some plant food. I got this weird candle. It's very Kansas. Just breaking stuff today. This pitcher glass. My friend was here making sun tea and made 2 big jars of it and then didn't drink any of it. That was special. Guess that's what happens when you have a lot of beer sitting around. I got more cleaner. This stuff's expensive too, and I got a puppy. I gotta get that floor clean. I got like 3 of these different carpet cleaner things. I thought these were cute. Cute. This thing was weird. Yeah, it's missing a shot glass. Now it's missing 2 shot glasses. 3 shot glasses. Maybe actually not the right shot glasses for that. I don't know. That's what came with it. I got these 2 mugs here. Josie and the Pussycats. Porcupine. I don't know if I know Porcupine. Do you know Porcupine? I'm not as familiar. They seem like they'd be stackable, but they are not. I got these 2 Smurf ones. I thought they were cute. Smurfs are cute. Okay. I got these. Remember these from back in the day? That's what my parents had. That was at my parents' house. I got some sponges. She just threw those in for me because she had them marked as a quarter. She just threw them in. These flosser things. This book on how to create textures in pen and ink with watercolor. Because you know what? I've started watercoloring and I'm not that good at it, but I'm getting better. And that's all you can really do is keep trying. 2 ducks. Quack. Quack, 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 quack. This wood bead necklace. A bunch of like what appears to be former bolo ties, but they're like missing the backs. The lighting. So I gotta find, where's the other one? Gotta find some backs to put on them. Anything else over here? Oh, I wanted to get this bag of junk so I could get this one thing in here. See if I even like it. Oh, it was fish. It's a fish. Focus. Fish. Okay, it won't focus, but you get the idea. And then I think finally, was that everything? Besides that sweet coat, you can see it in my TikTok. I got this sweet coat for $10. And then my friends were with me and my friend didn't see it until I brought it home. And then she convinced me that she needed it. And so she bought it from me. But I also need it. Anyway, I got these vintage kid puzzles. It's so cute. There were 4. But one of them was missing a piece, so I left it behind. Anywho, that's everything that I got. I think I spent around $30, which, you know, a can of spray paint. Well, I don't know what I just broke, but we'll figure that out later. Anywho, a can of spray paint is like $7 min, but usually around 14. Anyway, anywho, thanks for watching. Go to my TikTok to see the coat. I have a lot more of these. If you subscribe, you can always see them whenever your heart desires. All right. Thank you.